Guys, my voice. I still got some things from TEMU. So this is just an AirPod. I've never lost an AirPod before. So the first one I got is false. Like since I started using AirPod, the first one I got false. Then the second one I got it from Team is false, but the just the case has false. Then I got another one. I lost that one, and this is the fourth AirPod I'm using in my life. This is it comes in pink color, so this type C. You just there, sha. The sound is just there. So then I got this mango too. I realized that I'm a gold girl. I prefer silver jewelries, but then I realized that it doesn't really fit me, so I got this gold one. It's not really my size, but this is what it looks like. It comes with this really cute ring. So this is what it looks like. Then I also got a purple. Well, this should be a lavender shade. It's a purple dress. I got it from TEMU too. The material is just there, sha. Just there. So like I said in my last two videos, right? In my last video, make sure you wash your clothes before you wear them. So this is what the purple top looks like. So see you guys later.
I've been going out of my way.
So guys, I just finished working on this hair. I'm going to install it tomorrow. This is what it looks like. I just finished working on it. So I'm really tired. I'm really tired. So messy. My workplace is. Then I'm done with this pixie coils too. Then this, I'm still going to style this hair. I just revamped it and it's dry already. So it needs some styling.
I'm where I'm at. The legend, a symbol of that. Symbols, I ain't gonna crash. Catch me in the cut, hun. Something like the duck running. I ain't coming with nothing. I know what they want from it. I can spot the fake loving. Rolling up the gates on it. Ain't no debating on it. It got legs like K100. Usher, I'm skate on the beat. I done seen the play cross feet. God drive like 6 feet. Blow shit, give me 6 feet. My
Ready, go. Oh, farmer. Oh my God,
There she is, recording her video. I mean, not recording the video, but like trying to help revamp the wig. Pounds.
So you have to pay 1,000.
1,000 because of what? I'm just the girl. I'm just the girl, guys. Who's a big girl? What? No. If you brush it out without wetting it, it's going to spoil it. You have to wet it before you. No, you have to normally spray it. Yeah. She's doing an excellent job. Where's my sister's mannequin? No. No, use her as the mannequin for the week. No, that one is. No. Yeah, I think there's a ghost. Are you seeing it currently? Oh. Maybe it will calm down.
What's it supposed to be now?
Just drop it till you see what it's supposed to be. It looks better on camera, I think. It's plain. So as you're moving, it's like a walkway. It's like a walkway. Come here. It's moving. So you move when you're moving. You can't see.
What is moving here?
Oh, Chim. It's moving. Come and see it from the camera. Are you not seeing it's moving? Are you not seeing?
What's moving?
Oh, Jesus. See now.
It's just like you can see.
I see this one. I can see this one now.
Can you see that it's moving? Are you seeing the other part of the wall?
It's like a walkway and it goes to the end. I can see this one. I can't see this one.
So you're not seeing this house here by the side, these three houses. Then when you're moving,
Oh, okay. I can see it now. But then this last one, Uncle.
see.
Oh, finally! It's because the light is on. How do you like my new shoe?
I love the pretty outfit. Should have worn this.
It feels like I'm in Japan. 10, 9. So everybody line up. Everybody gonna stand. Go now, go. Stand. 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Yes.
Press the backs of our hands together. It's still wet, so the ink should transfer. Meet me at the side door.
We wanted the rice to have a bright white cream color.
Okay.
So we cooked the rice. After parboiling it, when you were boiling it, you have to pour milk on top. So if you feel it now, you start, it has a little bit of
Milk.
juiciness in it.
Okay.
Yes, milk in it. But
Okay.
stew, we just did normal traditional stew, but then we put green peppers and spring onions inside so that it will show the dawning of spring in Nigeria.
Oh my goodness, you're
Then we
very
added
funny.
some chicken and beef to balance the diet. So if you actually check this thing, you have carbohydrate, protein, minerals. I'll bring water for you.
So it's balanced
So
diet.
it's complete balanced nutrition.
Thank you very much, Chef. No.
No, that's the main thing. I'll put this right in the food. So when you drink water, after the water,
You're so funny. Thank you, Chef.